This video, Penicillium Sp, is brought to you by moldremoval.com, the leading website on news, videos, and how to find a mold removal contractor or tester in your area. Today we know from research that there are over 200 species of Penicillium Sp found in areas such as soil, compost piles, and decaying plant debris. Penicillium Sp also produces different types of species of fungus, such as peptides, nephrotoxins, just to name a few. Penicillium, xanthophyllum, and tricillium are just some of the more common ones that you may find. These are allergies that are also associated with infection of Penicillium Sp, which can cause serious health impacts to you and your family. A high spore count of Penicillium Sp can show symptoms as well as high fever or asthma in the adult or child. Penicillium Sp can also be found indoors in a widespread manner, such as in those dust-infested areas, those damp, moist areas of your home. It can also grow in buildings that have been abandoned or damaged by water or found in areas with high moisture content. The higher the moisture and humidity, the greater chances that you will be having a problem with Penicillium Sp. Penicillium Sp can also be found in foods and fruits such as rotten apples or cheeses, certain spices, herbs, onions, nuts, oranges are just some of the typical places you may find them. Homeowners should consult with a professional to address any of their mold or mildew concerns. Prevention is the best practice. Visit moldremoval.com for a complete list of videos and articles related to your indoor air quality.